Hi, my name is Ken, and this video is part of the Blackboard LTI integration series. In particular, this video will cover linking to TestOut course resources from within your Blackboard course. As a matter of housekeeping, I'd like to introduce you to a couple, actually 3 resources that I have open. I'll pull from each of these 3 resources as I diagram how to build a course resource for you within your course. I have our course catalog, which is available at testout.com/courses. The main purpose we'd come to this location is to grab an ISBN number, which I've just highlighted here in the case of TestOut PC Pro. On this next tab, I have a technical document entitled LabSim LTI Support. It's within this technical documentation that you'd find our launch URL as well as all of the LTI parameters. The parameters are broken down to required, down to optional. And within this tab, we have our Blackboard integration guide. The main focus of this guide for the purposes of this video would be pages 10 through 25. Pages 10 through 25 focus on how to create course content within your Blackboard course. With that being said, I'm going to click back over to my Blackboard tab. I'm within a course, and to build content, you would click the content button here and go down, and you'd click web link. You'd begin by populating with the name, with the URL. You would click this link as a tool provider, and I'm going to show you an existing link to illustrate how this is done. So I have a link entitled TestOut PC Pro 6 Link Lab 1.2.7. This link takes me over to Lab 1.2.7 within PC Pro. I've just clicked the link. I'm at a Launch TestOut button, which I will click on the splash screen, and you can see I'm taken right over to Lab 1.2.7 within TestOut PC Pro. Now let me show you how this link is constructed. By going to edit this link, you can see the title. That speaks well enough for itself. And I have the launch URL with the parameters, which I'll detail on here in just a moment. And then I've checked this link is a tool provider checkbox. I've also enabled evaluation to yes. And in this particular lab, it's worth 10 points, so I put points possible as being 10. You have the prerogative of sending points possible any way you would like. Now, let's take a further look at this URL. I've actually copied and pasted it into Word here. Hopefully you can see this a little bit better. HTTPS over to the end of ASPX is our launch URL. That's in that technical document that I introduced you to here a few minutes ago. I have a delimiter, which is a question mark. And then I have my first parameter, my LTI parameter LabSim _course_ID, which is set equal to the ISBN number that you saw in our course catalog. I have one more ampersand, which serves as a delimiter, and then LabSim _section _ID, which is set to 1.2.7, which within the PC Pro course outline is the lab to which you saw me link here just a few seconds ago. So, with the Windows clipboard being your friend, all you have to do is copy and paste this whole URL to each of your assignments and adjust 1.2.7 to be 1.2.8 or 1.3.7 or whatever learning resource that you want to link to from your course. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch.